ice on my wrist. Mama like, when you get rich? I got it sad. Whoa. Yeah, I rock out on the 6. But nigga, we 5, we split. I'm taking your shit.
Alright. So we got car meet tonight. Thank God. I mean, I'm excited for that. I'm so excited for that. But I don't know why I did that. But my shit is bugging. I don't know. My shit is bugging. But car meet tonight. But also, back in biceps. Peak US experience. Probably gonna get Crumble while we're out there as well. Crumble and Chipotle. I mean, honestly, Crumble, Chipotle, car meet, back in biceps. What more could you ask for in life? Like, I feel like there's not anything else that I would want. And I think I'm gonna deadlift. Depending on the platform availability, we're gonna deadlift. And if we can't deadlift, we're just gonna mag grip, pull down, close grip row, fucking pull-ups, I get. Nah, I'm not doing pull-ups, that's crazy. Pullovers. I love me some pullovers. And then we'll hit some biceps from there. And I want to get a crazy bicep pump. But it honestly is hot as hell in here. So we're gonna go in there. And yeah, honestly, I don't really have too much to say other than I went and got my change from GNC when I bought that drink. And the lady, she gave me, hold on, car wash token and a Canadian penny. That's, I don't even know if you can, it will focus, but a Canadian penny, and it's a car wash token. Good change. But that's the lady that gives me free stuff, so I didn't feel like sitting there and like bickering with her over it. And I'm not even mad at it, because like, bro, it's so stupid for no reason. I'll take it. But we're gonna go hit back in biceps and just get a nasty pump, and then go look at some cars and like beat our dicks to some cars. I mean, what more could you ask for? Really, what more could you ask for in life? Nothing. So, I mean, let's go.
It's useless.
I'm working outside.
Penny X. Told me think about it, well I did. Now I don't wanna feel a thing anymore. I'm tired of begging for the things that I want. I'm oversleeping like a dog on the floor. I'm naturally living like a king Sunday. A single night without a ghost in the walls. We are the shadows screaming, take us now. We'd rather die than live to rest.
Oh my god. What a workout, bro. What a workout. I mean, come on. We're gonna head our way to the car meet now, but that pump was kind of crazy. I feel like I look insane right now. We're gonna get hit showers at the house and then we're gonna hit the car meet. Yeah, I mean, that's about it really. I mean, fuck it. We got big. I did not get the deadlift though. The platform was took the entire time I was working out. Same guy the entire time doing rows with one plate. He did like 50 sets and of like 2 reps the whole time. And I mean, come on. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I still got a crazy pump. The pump that I was chasing was achieved, so you can't even be upset really. And yeah, I mean, we're gonna hit the car meet. It's only 5:23 and it doesn't start until 9, so we got a little bit of time in between. But honestly, I'm ready to see some badass cars. I mean, what more could you want? However, I don't even know. I'm sweating my ass off right now. I can't think. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. I just feel like I snapped, bro. I snapped in the gym today. The shake back is back. From the wrist injury, we are so back. We are so back. Best workout I've had in a month. I mean, come on, dude. Come on. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. We fucking made it. We made it. Okay. So we went to the wrong address. We went to the wrong address.
You're gonna pay tolls now.
This guy took me to the wrong address. And I know. We are, hold on. What does that say? We are 44 minutes away from the actual car meet.
Better cut it up.
We're cutting it up. We sat in here. We walked around here like 10 times singing about we're at the right car meet. We are not at the right car meet, by the way. And cause me, I'm sorry, but we're going to make it. We are going to get to this car meet. He's picking up the pace. We're going. We've officially made it. We went the wrong way, but we made it. We actually made it. It might be a little deep, might be a little busy. I wish I actually had a mic, bro. If I had a mic right now, that would be so much more calm. Hey, hold on. Hold up. That shit's crazy. Ice Spice in the V. Pete. Vid on the back playing is kind of insane. With the starlights. That's crazy. With the GoPro? This is kind of crazy though. I still ain't seen nothing like mind-blowing yet though. Like, I don't know. We gotta get down here. Life sleeper build as a car. Pete. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But look, you look at this, you're not thinking that this has this in here, and then this is gonna dust you. If you know, you know. Now you might be able to hear that from across the country. That's a little crazy, little song. God damn! Holy! That shit just blew out my ears.